Another topic often asked: how can I start to work with in a new company, for example, if I'm not proficient enough in a language, if I don't speak good, if I don't speak well English or German or Japanese or Polish, where I'm sitting now, it's very important to speak Polish because I'm in Katowice right now. So don't worry. So audio is not the only communication channel that you can use, right? You use visuals to help you out. Use visuals to help you out. You can still be effective. It's really truly global world, and people cooperate across the globe, and we all do speak some different foreign languages, and we want to cooperate effectively, and but language is important, but you cannot learn it overnight, right? It's a process. It takes time, right? So it takes sometimes years, and it's not easy. But don't worry. Don't put yourself in a too hard position and ask yourself, can I be effective even if I'm not proficient in a language? And actually, answer is yes. Answer is yes. I heard some of the very great project managers with the low language proficiency at the moment in time. They improved, they learned later. So the question is not, can I be effective? It's what techniques we should use to reach that goal, right? So what techniques? And what I can recommend you is to use so-called trick sentences that I can really recommend you. First of all, what you can do is what we are doing right now. We are sharing our screens, we are showing our face, right? So this is a prerequisite. And now, when you are sharing your screen, you can simply use sentences such as you can see here, and then it goes your mouse. Do you see my mouse? You see your mouse. Can you see my mouse pointer, please? Excellent. So you can use a sentence. As you can see here, and if it's something tough to read, long text and so on, it doesn't matter. You're showing what you can see here, like it is shown here, like it is shown here. If you open the document with the name, and then actually you prepare your agenda well. So you, in your agenda and in your documents that you are attaching to invitation, you can show to a document that you attached. Then you can, if you have good agenda and you have topics in your agenda, you can say, let's follow the agenda and move on to the topic 3. Topic 3 can be very hard to pronounce, but doesn't matter because you can show with your mouse pointer. Then you can simply ask, may you please write that into chat window so that I will write it properly. So for example, if I would ask you right now to help me out with the creation of a very high-tech project, and if I would speak about Cisco equipment, for example, and I have no idea what kind of switches are now there, so I would ask someone to write that into chat window so I can actually copy paste it, right? So I do not need to hear everything, but actually I can copy paste it, right? So ask people to write that into chat. So then you can ask people, have you understood things correctly? And have I wrote it correctly, right? So you can actually, when you share a screen, they will see what you wrote, right? So they will see what you wrote. So share your screen and use graphical interfaces to help you out. Point on your screen, draw on your screen. So you can use simpler sentences if you are sending information beforehand, and if you're sending information by sharing your screen and using video conferences. And of course, these are just examples. Think of your own individual, your own sentence.